What's happening YouTube? It's your boy TechTrex back in another video, and today we're gonna unbox something from Eufy. This is a security camera, 4K Ultra HD. It's also solar powered and wire free. You can also use an internal hard drive to record your things here without any monthly fees. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you could be notified of the next videos to come with tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at ljcedmonton.ca. Hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. We're gonna unbox this today and see if it's any good or not. Here we go. Here it is. Pretty awesome unboxing here. As you can see, everything that you need will be up here. This is the home base right here. This is the two cameras, 1 and 2. There we go. Let's take this off. Even has a little shield logo in there. Pretty nice. Let's take that out. There you go. A couple of arms for the camera for mounting it. Some literature as well in here. Instruction manual. Ethernet cable, USB-C to USB-A cable, a few mounting screws, as you can see there, and the power adapter. Let's look at what we get in the literature here. Here we get some sticker, positioning cards for mounting the camera. It also has a Eufy Security 24 hours sticker. And then the instruction manual right here. Pretty easy. Lots of pictures as well. Easy to follow. So this top part comes off. It just comes on with magnet. You click one side and there we go. So here you'll be able to insert a hard drive. Just take off the screw here. There we go. So here there's a hard drive slot that you can put on, like so. There we go. So we got a 1 terabyte drive here, sold separately, of course. And pretty much it just sits there like so. And then really easy, all you need to do is just insert it back here. There it is. Put the screw back on. And that's it, you're ready to go. Put the lid back on like so, and then see the back. So here there's an Ethernet slot right there, a power slot right there, a USB 3 and a USB A, 2 slots right there. It's also the sync or alarm off right there. Pretty much. The front has an indicator light, and these grills on the back as well. Those are speaker grills, which is really good. The bottom as well right there. Now let's look at the cameras here. Let's just take off the plastic. And at the front here has the camera. Has some sensors on the bottom as well and a light up there. On the top it has a solar panel built in right into it. Speaker grill on the bottom. On the back it has a screw hole, just a typical tripod mount. On the sides, it has the Eufy 4K security logo. On the top as well, as you can see here, there's the USB-C slot, which is hidden underneath this little rubber. There's a sync button right there. Let's take off the plastic on the other guy as well. Pretty much the exact same camera. So you'll be able to use this on 2 different spots. Just make sure that the top has a lot of sun on that area so that you'll be able to charge the cameras. The little swivel mount as well, it's pretty easy to install. If you take this part off, two sets of screws there, and then this will just bring up like so. Well, this will tighten it. Just screw it on like so, and then this top part gets tightened as you tighten this bottom part. And then this part right here will just go onto the back of the camera like so. And you're pretty much ready to install this whichever way you want. Top mount like so as well. It's really up to you. So the app we're looking at today is the eufyCam. We're gonna make a new account and add a new device here, which is the S380 home base. So we're gonna plug in the S30 home base and we're gonna connect it to our router via Ethernet port. We're gonna make sure that our phone as well is connected to the same Wi-Fi as the home base. And then pretty much we're gonna scan the QR code on the bottom of the home base. When the home base is all done, now we're gonna add a new device again, a couple of them, and which is the camera. We're gonna sync this to our home base. We're pretty much just gonna do this twice.
Press the sync button until you hear the beep.
Once everything's synced in and ready to go, it should look like this, and you'll be able to see the two cameras working. I'll have it on the front door and also the backyard here. Here's a 4K footage of the S330 during the daytime.
I'm trying to record so I can finish this video.
As you can see, it's able to pick up audio as well. At night as well, it has a spotlight night vision mode, which is really good so that you can still have that color when you're taking and shooting video at night. You'll be able to see clearly who's going in and out in your house. And then there's also the black and white night vision. It's a bit darker here, but because there's no light whatsoever, but it's able to still see. This is very useful if you want more of a stealth mode on your camera. You still be able to see, but people won't be able to notice the camera. Now let's look at the backyard camera. As you can see, this is what it looks like on 4K. This is during the daytime, just normal shooting here. Let's see now when I am walking around and see if you can see my face even from far away. Definitely not bad at all, especially that it's a 4K video. And this is what it looks like as well with the spotlight night vision mode. Again, you'll be able to see a lot here, and it's really cool that you're able to see even colored during the night. Some cameras only has the black and white. I'm going to show you the black and white version of the Eufy now. Again, great quality by Eufy. The definitely must recommended for people who are looking for a security cam for their home. Let's look at the settings now for the S330 camera. First up is the motion detection. It has human recognition, human detection, vehicle detection, pet detection. You can also change the sensitivity from low to high. You can also set activity zones so that it'll detect more on those areas. You can also change the power management on how you want the camera to optimize its battery life. There's the optimal surveillance and also the customized recording to whatever you want. It also has the solar dashboard here that tells you everything, how much energy you've saved and how much the sun have charged your camera. You can also change or turn on and off the spotlight. You can change the brightness from low to high. There's also the anti-theft detection. Now let's look at the video settings, which you can turn off the watermark. You can just leave it no timestamp or logo whatsoever. I just left it as with the timestamp only. You can change the streaming quality and the recording quality as well. I left the streaming to auto and recording at ultra 4K. You can also change the night vision settings here, making it black and white or color night vision, or you could turn it off altogether. You can also set privacy zones. If you don't want the camera looking at certain areas, you could do that as well. You can also change the audio settings, turn on the microphone, audio recording, and even the speaker. Change the speaker volume as well. You can change the notification style as well, most efficient, full effect, or with a thumbnail. And then motion alerts, you can set default or whatever sound you want. Now in general, you can change where the videos will be saved. You can have storage here, change to NAS RTSP. Now one of the great features here is the AI empowerment, which you can enable your cameras so that it will detect if it's a dog, a car, or a person, or maybe a face recognition as well. On the home base, you can change the familiar faces here. You can add more or take out some. And you'll be able to see your archive here as well on the storage management, which is inside that 1 terabyte storage. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new security camera. This is pretty unique. This is 4K and also has solar panel, and you can record in an internal hard drive and without paying monthly for it as well. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more Eufy products. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.